Hey, what's up guys, Matt here, helping you guys make money online. Right now, I'm in my YouTube Creator Studio app, and you can download this app for free. Once you get a YouTube channel up, you start getting views, you can download this app. And this app is really amazing because it shows you your views, watch time, how much money you're making, your subscribers, and all kinds of other useful stats that you can check on the go, or if you just don't want to turn on your computer, you can do it on your phone. So right now, I want to show you guys how exactly I'm making almost $8,000 every single month on this one single YouTube channel. Now this revenue has been pretty consistent. As you can see, this is the past 28 days on this one single channel. Now I have other channels as well that are generating very significant incomes, but this is just one channel. So if we go to the past 90 days here, as you can see, very steady income, $25,000, $25,708 in the past 90 days. As you can see, $400 that day, $345 that day. Looks like just yesterday, $367. So this channel right here is generating very significant revenue, as you can see. So that's the past 90 days. If we go over the past 365 days, as you can see, this one single channel is generating a full-time income, $116,681 from this one single YouTube channel, guys. This method is super simple, and I'm going to show you the method here in just a second. I do have a course on this as well down in the description where I outline absolutely everything, the entire system, exactly how I do it. But I'm going to show you the outline exactly how you do this. So as I said, this is just one single channel, guys. I want to show you real quick another channel that I'm doing this with and making very significant income with. So here's this second channel. I just logged into the analytics. Now guys, this YouTube Creator Studio app is super cool because you can just literally hit those three bars in the top left and then go to your different YouTube channels. It's all contained right here, so it's super cool. You can just go. So as you can see, this channel, 41 million minutes of watch time and 7 million views just in the past 28 days, so that's not even a month. It's generated almost $4,000 in the past month. But if we go to the past 90 days, as you can see here, $14,000. Now add this with the other channel, you guys can do the math. This YouTube method that I'm doing is making a lot of money, and I want to share with you guys exactly what you can do to make money like this. And as you can see, what's also super cool is 65,000 subscribers in the past 28 days. If we go to the lifetime of this channel, this is my second channel, by the way, guys. 260,000 subscribers. So what's super cool is that this isn't only making money, but I got another play button on the way. I already have a silver play button for my first channel, but this is just for my second channel. Another play button on the way, so that's super cool. But I want to show you guys exactly what you do to make this type of money with YouTube. So right now we are in the YouTube app. Now I want to show you some example channels that are doing this exact same thing in some of the same niches that I'm actually doing this in as well. Now, as I mentioned before, I do have a course down in the description where I show you the exact best niches that you can start doing this today. Guys, the course is only $100, and I am pretty sure that you can make that money back very fast once you start doing these methods. Like when you combine the channels that I'm running, I'm making like $500 a day just from those channels when you add them all together. So as you can see, you can make the money back very fast. It's kind of a no-brainer in my opinion. And this is, in my opinion, the #1 way to make money online as a beginner, because you don't need to invest any money in this. You don't have to pay money for ads. You don't have to pay money for startup costs. This is so simple, guys. You're literally reposting other people's videos and being able to put ads on them because they actually want you to repost their videos. And I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing here. So if we go to the search bar here and we just search, see, as you can see, I already searched this channel recently. This is a channel called Top Supreme, and all they're literally doing is re-uploading other people's videos. As you can see, this channel has 633,000 subscribers. Actually 636, as you can see, it just updated right there. But that's not how we're going to make the money, guys. You make money based off of views, not subscribers. So as you can see, 160 million views. They started last year, guys, and pretty recently they started posting frequently, as you can see. And each of these videos, as you can see, 200,000 views, 100,000 views, 30,000 views, 50,000 views. This adds up, guys, and this equals a lot of money. Now, another channel that's doing this is called Tech Zone, and as you can see, they have 1 million subscribers, and they literally just post like top 5 inventions that'll blow your mind, 5 unusual bicycles you have never seen. And they just take like the manufacturer's videos for like Kickstarters and stuff, and they make a top 5 list out of it. They make a channel looking at this. Now this particular channel, they do voiceover, so it would be some work to do like a voiceover for your video. But there's so many channels that are doing this that don't do voiceovers. They just compile the list of the top 5 inventions or whatever. As you can see, they're just over 10 minutes. That's one of the tricks to multiply your ad revenue. But in my course down in the description, I show you exactly how you can multiply your ad revenue by up to 10 times with a secret that I share with you guys in the course. So I highly recommend checking that out. Now, as you can see, this channel is pulling in a lot of revenue. Now, there's another channel just like this one that's doing this even better. Because as you can see, they're uploading about every day. I mean, they miss some days, but I'm going to show you a channel that's doing this even better. And you might be saying, I'd be happy with 1 million subscribers. They're making well over $10,000 a month with this channel. I mean, some of these channels that I'm looking at, they could be making as much as $100,000 per month. That's not uncommon when you're looking at these types of channels. I know some of the people that run channels like this, and I run channels like this as well. So real quick, before we get to that channel, I was just searching top 5 inventions to see what would come up. And here's a channel called Future Tech. They put out a video called 5 latest inventions that'll blow your mind. As you can see, this is really key when you're looking at niches and everything. This one has ads on it. So if we play this here, as you can see, there's an advertisement on this video, and from us watching that video, they're making money. And if someone clicks the learn more, or they click on the advertisement, they're making significantly more money. But guys, you still make money even if they just see your ad, and the longer I watch this ad here, the more money they're going to be making. So let's skip the ad right here, and as you can see, this Future Tech video, all they do is look at 5 latest inventions that'll blow your mind, and they put links to all the inventions. Now, another really cool thing with this, you can put Amazon links, like I'm sure all you guys know about affiliate marketing, but that's not what this method is about at all. Like, that could be like a secondary revenue stream, because you could link to some of these inventions and whatnot. But this is all about making money with the advertisements on YouTube, because there is so much money to be made, and it's honestly incredible what you can do with that. So as you can see, I just turned the volume up. There's no talking in this video. They literally just compiled other people's videos, and they're putting them as a video of their own. And now, you'll never get a copyright strike doing this either, because the people who manufacture these products and make these products, they want their products being shared. They want the free advertising that they're getting with it. So it's a win-win situation for everybody, because they get a video, and then the manufacturer gets free advertising for their video and even a link in the description. You couldn't ask for more than that. So this channel's making a lot of money, but I want to show you a channel like this that's doing even better. Alright, so I just found the channel that I was talking about. I remember they did some shoe invention video, so I just looked up shoe inventions. As you can see, this channel has 1.1 million subscribers, and if we go to their YouTube channel, as you can see, they're uploading about every single day. And like I said, they're not doing any voiceovers on their videos, and this channel is making a lot of money, guys. Alright guys, so I just went on this channel, Quantum Tech HD, and I took a screenshot on my computer of my Social Blade plugin. By the way, the Social Blade plugin is free to download, guys, if you want to see how much money people are making on YouTube. But as you can see here, they're making between $6,000 and $100,000 per month on YouTube. Now, based off of my analytics and what Social Blade says for my channels compared to how much they're actually making, I can tell you that the number is about in the middle of that. Now, I will say though, that for channels like this one, that do like tech videos and whatnot, the CPMs are way higher. Because for channels like this, you know, they're making tech products. Now, who advertises the most on YouTube? A lot of it's tech products, so you're going to get a lot of higher paying CPMs making videos like this channel does. Now, as you can see, $6,000 and $100,000 per month, right in the middle of that, they're making at least, and it's probably on the higher end, so maybe $50,000 to $60,000 per month from this one single channel, guys. Now, I know you're probably thinking, I'd be happy with $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Now, guys, the sky is literally the limit for this method of making money online. Like I said, it's the best, in my opinion, way to make money online for beginners. Now, guys, that's just a quick overview of this method. If you want to learn exactly how you can do this, how you can start making money online very fast, check out my course down in the description. As you can see, this is my course page right here, and I put down some of the numbers that I'm seeing with this. As I showed you guys before, right here it says $110,000. Now it's up to $111,000 or something in the past year. Full-time income. This is just one channel. This isn't including that other channel. With the other channel, and by the way, I really only started working on that second channel just a few months ago, just this year. At the beginning of this year, I started working on that second channel. So adding that up, that's probably $180,000 in profit just based off of those 2 YouTube channels. So as you can see, this year I've used the same tactics to make $16,000 in 1 month. That was in September, guys. When you add both of those channels together, I made $16,000 in 1 month. And I haven't even done the math for like October or November so far, but that's just in September. I made $16,000. And guys, this gets put into my bank account every single month on the dot, on the 21st of every single month. And as you can see, it's $200 to $600 per day with this method. I show a screenshot of my bank account, Wells Fargo, and as you can see, they're depositing the money every single month into my account. As you can see, it's every single month on the dot. That's just the past 3 months with this particular method. And a screenshot of the analytics. I don't even have to show you guys screenshots. I was just in the app showing you guys exactly how much money. So like I said, guys, if you're interested in learning how to make money on YouTube without making videos, how to make a ton of money on YouTube using videos you didn't even make, check out the course down in the description. You guys will not regret it. This has changed my life so much, making YouTube videos like this. I hope it can change your life too. My goal is to empower people and let them live a life of freedom, not being trapped in a 9-to-5 job or anything like that. So guys, check out my course down in the description. I want to show you guys how you can make money on YouTube, and this course is, in my opinion, the #1 way. I show you the exact system, everything. Now you guys might be wondering, like, why would I share all my secrets if other people are going to do it? They're just going to crowd the marketplace. Guys, that's not how YouTube works at all, because the more videos, almost the better on YouTube. Because as I teach in the course, most of your views are going to be coming from those suggested videos, and as I show how to get exactly those suggested video views very fast, your views are going to be coming from suggested videos. So the more videos on YouTube, the more chance for suggested videos to give you views. And plus, most of the people doing this are going to choose niches that I'm not even doing, even though I showed like the exact best niches that you can do to make money on YouTube in this course. Like, most people aren't even going to be doing in the same niche. So if you're really serious about making money online and you want to start today, check out my course down in the description. I'll see you guys next time.